And then we see also that there is joy in gratitude. They see the child and they know it, and there's joy there. See, Herod did not respond to the birth of the Messiah in gratitude and humility. It made him angry. It made him afraid. The scribes and the chief priests and the religious leaders did not respond in thanksgiving to God. They responded by ignoring the birth of their Messiah. But the wise men traveled for months to reach Bethlehem. The shepherds rejoiced and spread the good news everywhere that they went. Mary, when she realized what was going on, she sang a song of rejoicing. In fact, we call it the Magnificent Song, the Magnificat. The baby in Elizabeth's womb, Elizabeth, her cousin, when Mary comes and announces the pregnancy to Elizabeth, the baby inside of Elizabeth leaps for joy. When John the Baptist, in utero, realizes the Messiah has been born, those who see it and know it and respond in gratitude find joy. We should always approach the birth of Jesus Christ with this kind of awe and gratitude. We are not here on earth as a result of our own design or plan or as a result of a crazy cosmic accident. We were created by the will and the power of a God who loves us and who has taken the initiative to be with us, to speak with us, and to make salvation possible. So then our lives need to become a response to that divine initiative, living holy, thankful, gospel-proclaiming lives. There's this passage in the middle of the book of Job. You did not think I was going to talk about the book of Job this morning. The word joy shows up about 6 times in the book of Job, and half of the time it's Job and his friends going, "There's no joy on earth." But there's this moment where Job talks about the creation of the world. And I want you to hear how he talks about it. In Job chapter 38, that's God who says it. "Where were you when I laid the foundation of the earth? Tell me if you have understanding. Who determined its measurements? Surely you know. Or who stretched the line upon it? On what were its bases sunk? Or who laid its cornerstone? When the morning stars sang together and all the sons of God shouted for joy." You were created in joy. Isn't that incredible? Our culture right now sees Christmas through the eyes of Herod, through the eyes of the scribes. But Advent, the reason we do this is it reminds the children of God of the joy that is woven into the very fabric of the universe.